The ancestor of all birds had hollow bones, but some birds have lost this trait to adapt to conditions other than flight, such as diving underwater. Loons and grebes, for instance, have solid bones.